Hey, uh, so Christian just left. Well, not just left. It's like almost 10:30, and she left at like 9 or something. A little bit before 9. It's almost 10:30. But yeah, can you see Michael Jackson's hair? Pay close attention. Just pay attention to details. Actually, you know what? Oh my god, I gotta get that out of my hair. No, not what you're probably thinking. No, not that. My whole point is, well, basically my whole point is, I'm gonna try to keep my eyes on the actual camera. Basically, my whole point is, I forgot what my point was. I'm sorry. Anyways, karate was really fun today. This will actually be my second upload video today. I'm trying to upload one a day while I have my uncle's computer, which is how I'm doing these kinds of videos. So, might as well show you guys some of the effects, like the effects here. Let me show you. Oh, this is a pretty cool look. It's cute. But here's what happened. This is my heart, and that's it breaking. I wasn't dating anybody, but I'm not gonna name any names because I don't want to hurt that person. I'm still a friend, but they're dating my crush now, and I'm not gonna tell the world who it is because I'm gonna be totally honest with that person, is that they're still my friend, and no matter what, I'm gonna be totally loyal to them and not tell the world. I'm not gonna tell the world who my crush is. I'm not gonna tell the world who the friend is that's dating my crush now. But yeah, this was my heart before. This is it now. But I mean, this is cool. Look right here. Frosty the Snowman said this annoying phrase. Ha 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 ha, happy birthday. Weird, it's spring. Do hills move? Are hills supposed to move? I don't think we're supposed to move. Oh, these are cool. I like these. See, this happened between me and my crush, and now he's turned his back on me. Me and my crush have kissed. But I don't know. I guess he kind of like turned his back on me because I've heard from many other girls that he's a player. But yet, we've never dated and kissed. Text. Phone's on vibrate. This is my phone. It's on lockdown mode. Operated. The phone. can see it now. I thought I was like in my contacts and everything. Oh my god. Just give it a minute. This makes me sad. I'm gonna go to my pictures and like see something that's like dark, but can't really see anything else. Took a picture of just like plain darkness at karate today, I guess on accident. Do you wish to delete this picture? I know you can't see it, I'm sorry. Yes, I do. What's this? Oh, we were in public making weird faces and waving at random people. Can you see this? I think you can already see it.
Awesome and new. Conversation all around.
Kind of weird. Japan! Japan! I'm gonna stop showing you guys my pictures. But there's one ringtone. Nope. I also got the mortician's daughter somewhere in here. Here it is. It's of me and Christian, basically. It's basically that reflecting. There it is, yeah, you can see it now. That's me, and that's Christian when we were in the middle of the city, being bored and lazy. But I'm gonna stop this so I can actually upload it, because you can't upload it once it's past 10 minutes. Hopefully it's not. So yeah. Bye, and thank you for watching. Bye. And no, I'm not giving up my phone number. Good China production. Bye.